Welcome. XTB is a globally recognized broker. It offers commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, up to a monthly limit of 100,000 GBP. XTB has a great rating on Trustpilot. It scores 4 out of 5 stars, based on more than 1,000 reviews. Customers praise the easy-to-use platform, as well as fast withdrawals and reliable customer support. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to easily open an account with XTB, and how to correctly use the promo code STARTXTB. The promo code is a special link. You can enter it during registration. In our case, we'll use the code STARTXTB. Before we start the registration, please prepare your email address and your phone number. Step 1. Visit the official website. Open your web browser. Go to www.xtb.com. If prompted, select your country and preferred language. Step 2. Start the registration. On the homepage, click the button, either Open an Account or Start Trading. Enter your email address and select the country of your permanent residence. Carefully read the XTB terms and conditions and confirm your agreement. Step 3. Fill in personal details. Now fill in the form with your personal information. Please enter your name, phone number, date of birth, nationality, and gender. Make sure all information is accurate. Step 4. Enter the promo code. During the registration, you'll be asked to choose the account currency and language. Below these options, you'll find a field to enter the promo code. In this field, enter the promo code STARTXTB and continue with the registration. Step 5. Complete the registration. Now finish the remaining steps of the registration. Verify your email address by clicking the link XTB sent you. Upload the required identification documents to verify your identity. What does XTB offer? XTB gives you access to more than 5,000 market instruments with low spreads. You can trade forex indices, commodities, as well as stocks, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs. XTB provides its proprietary trading platform, xStation 5, for both desktop and mobile devices. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully registered an account with XTB using the promo code STARTXTB. Once your account is verified, you can safely deposit funds and start trading. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you much success in trading.